Hadian ka jingel lenti ka ba arsnam kanti rakhe ka Elyon Institute Iaka Foundation de ha ka pratarik bnai ba arjar arpo ha ka nekas ngi lawan bansaki da usri Edison P Karbi u bade UDC barem jong ka East Garo Hills bat jong ka West Garo Hills kum ukongsan ha ka jingel don rengkat lang u MLA ka Nongpo constituency u ba Meryl Bonds im kum u sembut kongsan ladon rengkat lang ru u MDC ka Mauhati constituency u ba Charles Marnger lembat u sirdar ka Nongpo Ilaka Sirdarship upaim wan prang sim nongshai kumban syupen kan mau ya ka Elyon Institute la seng ha ka pratarik bnai ba arjar khat khandai da usamla sain ku parsen kli ka Elyon Institute ka dei ka wei naik kaslam ajing hikai computer training ka badan Hanongpo Ribhoi district ha ka nekasngi la samru ya ki khusnam ya youngest trainees best trainees but overall outstanding of the year
pi ka dong Ribhoi ka jongi imat kum kini ki institute kiba kiriu shimat kisem bin pat dadon banseng ia kali ki institute kam de ke besok ragalo hakalo ko ke department niti bande ki dan sibon ki department ke computer class nang ta ka kham kong sam de ke coaching na ka mada kum no ba pin yele ki examen ki prepare kata kalau ke DSC District Selection Committee nane FPSC kalau ekran bat isam la san kupa baga konstituensi ke bang ngadon ke Mauhati konstituensi kalau cengai pelan nang ni Nongpo headquarter ke jong nang ni mangat jikiro umsling syadu umsiang ke 30 kilometer ke jing sneu jong surau tingi don ki bon kir kom berkhat bat ni kerman bagane ke institution kam kot tangan ni Nongpo kini kita nak rekam di branch nak kemudahan penyiar susu tidak kalian gajong irut kilong nikmat apa dam ki sama ki perok sama ki pemik syahmat iklai ban ai ketika mon ketika dia bani kesan dan mimpi tiba saya kupar nak kalian gajong bor ibarat ibangi lang ini ai musim mimpi ini kesan dan mimpi berpinang ya cakram maka tiam gajong pi barak kowengi yang ni gidon ki staff ayo ketika magazine ke jong yang ni iyo yang ni bagi dokumen bagi dan sipun ki perlu sama ibai trailang bagi staff member ki badon lagi department di prepare IT department coaching department media department sports department isokmen bagi dan sipun ki samla na gedong Ribhoi ke jong uble la kurku kerpang ni gedong Ribhoi ke jong na Ribhoi ngilami sipun ki dong yalam laimut ki chief minister ni mi na Ribhoi Dr. Didi Lopang iba ike monglo ba iba jadi rembai ngidon ki chief executive member ki pelangi dan ni ngidon ki nong yalam ki bakrau na kadong Ribhoi ke jong ba kadong Ribhoi ganut banong kadai kadong ko buble na ku pangi.
If we look back at the present generation, there are different circumstances that has been evolved around, especially in the present generation. The circumstances that has been around us, which evolve around, is the competition within ourselves. How do we position ourselves with the present generation? As the young mind of the society, we are happy to see that there are persons who have a dream to be a guiding star for others. I hope I am not wrong to say that Saingupar Sengkli with his team, the vision that they have, how to shape the future of young mind we have in our society, it is mind-blowing. To me personally, even though I am older to him, but I really admire him, Saingupar Sengkli, his father, the whole family, the support he is getting, the charismatic ideas that he is having, I really admire, even though he is young to me. So this is a very, very positive steps that has been taken by this young gentleman with the support of his father, his family, friends, well-wisher, that this Elyon Institute has evolved around within our Nongpo town to be a guiding star, to help young people which field they have to go to studies more, especially with the needs of the present generation.
Because challenges open up into opportunities to perform. And this is what we are doing right now. I know you blame. Pastor Precious. I was trying to squeeze out. Why are you selecting me? I was trying to shirk. Then I remember, I said, no, there must be a good reason. It didn't take much persuasion. You can't put board for that I didn't ask him that. But I knew that God is behind the scene. God is behind the scene. Everything happens just such a time as this. When you go back home, look at the book of Esther and see how things unfolding at every time, the precise moment. I will not tell you the detail. I'm not a preacher. You ask Reverend Pastor Timo to give you a subject on this. For such a thing as this, like a book of Esther, you will find this. For such a thing as this, God has put Sankupasangli in Viboy district. For such a thing like this, God has put into the mind of our beloved MDC to give you an example from the proverb about the ant. The first opportunity that I got in my church, I'm from Jaya Presbyterian Church, but grand subject, the proverb of grand mabi. Why did he take it? I was wanting to speak on it. Now the grand subject is Haying Mani Jaya. Bangi David Pet Luksani in the queue. Kat Ubreo, Palathawa, Kadrojo Uble. We are designed in God's image.